Hi, I hope you're doing great. So I'm going to show you the latest progress of the project. And here I have implemented the Earth hologram asset. Okay. And later on when I implemented the UI for your login screen, I'll put it here. And then, yeah, if you press anywhere or the login button, it will show you a bit of an animation. And then it should spin, yeah, and show you the main menu. Okay, so I've changed the font here. Basically, I implemented the images, into a custom button that I made. But yeah, it's still manual work. So for anything dynamic, or any kind of text that has to change during runtime, I use a new font called Super Squad. Okay, I'll show you the details in the text messages. Okay, so there's that. And then for the rank, yeah, I still have some questions. Yeah, they will be in the text later on. And then for the medals, yeah. Okay, right now you can see three buttons now. And Prestige 1 and Prestige 2 is grayed out. Okay, because I started a new save and yeah, I'm basically fresh. Okay, so when you theoretically, when you press Prestige 1 and Prestige 2 later, Prestige 2 later, it will show you the list of medals from that Prestige. Basically, Prestige 1 should have all the silver medals and Prestige 2 gold. Okay, let's get to Prestige 1 for example. Okay, here basically there's no changes yet because I still have some questions on this. And then we'll go to medals. As you can see, we unlock Prestige 1. And here, basically, I just duplicated the items or the medals from the uh, no Prestige 1. So later on, when you have the images, it. We can set the items to the correct images, and yeah, it should show you the proper one. Yeah, and for example here I only modified the name in the data table to be silver, and yeah, it says silver here. Okay, and so for the gun locker I did some visual changes here. This is the font, and then I use this subheading, the heading image. And so I also set color here. This is all static, by the way. Basically the color does not change. And here for the support call order as well. Yeah. Okay, something I have to look for. This is too large. Okay, no problem. And then for the equipment, now we just have the text instead. I understand that you asked for the image, but yeah, there will be border issues later on. So I just opt to use text instead directly. So that's all the changes there. And yeah, as you can see here, because we are only on Prestige 1, for the remaining locker it says Prestige 2. I think yeah, that's it for this update. Not much has changed because most of it has just been behind the scenes work. So that's it for now. Thank you.